Simple sales for good profit. I've never packed stained glass before, so this is going to be my first time. And my first thought, let me show it to you here. My first thought is to give it a little bit of padding. So I'm going to start with some foam wrap. I'm going to put a piece on the bottom and on top. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to sandwich this between two pieces of cardboard. I have my cutting board, I have some cardboard, nice big piece. I need to get this out of my way just for a minute here. In fact, I need to see, maybe I was premature in covering this up already because I need to see how big I need to cut the cardboard. I think this piece is going to work pretty good. Here, let me turn this around so you can see the pretty side. I don't want to get too much room around it because I need to fit this into another box. So I think I don't want to go more than 12 inches if possible. Let's see what we're working with here. The stained glass itself is 10. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this 1 inch on these sides and ½ inch at the top and bottom. So yeah, I guess that puts it right at 12. I'm trying to fit this into a priority box that's about 12 inches wide. So I decided to go with just a ½ inch all the way around. And I've marked off where I need to cut right here. I have a utility knife, straight edge, and you can find a link for this in the description below the video. I need 2 of these, so I'll just use this for my pattern. I save all the scraps. And I noticed that these are fairly irregular at the top. I might square these up. Take a measurement. It's not too bad. 2 pieces of cardboard, piece of foam, lighthouse stained glass, centering it up. And yes, I know the foam extends beyond the cardboard. I'm okay with that. Another piece of foam. I'm just making a sandwich. And I need to tape all of this together. I'm going to use masking tape. Just trying to line up the cardboard. Do the opposite side. I'm just folding this foam down. It doesn't really matter too much, as long as it reaches to the bottom. I'm going to check that, flip it over. This one's a little bit short. I'm going to add a little extra here. So that feels pretty good. The stained glass is completely covered all the way around. So now, what do we do with this little stained glass sandwich that we made? Well, I think we need to bubble wrap it. I have some large ½ inch bubble wrap. Not sure how much I'll need yet. It looks like 2 pieces almost make it, but I do want this to overlap just a little bit. Just a little bit. This is an end of a roll, that's why I have it like this. Bringing it to the center, give it a couple pieces of masking tape. By the way, I'm using my handy dandy dispenser here for masking tape. I also keep one for packing tape, and you can find a link for these in the description below the video. I need to go the opposite direction. I'm going to add some to each end. Some longer pieces. Feels pretty good. I hope it's going to fit in my box. I hope I haven't gotten too wide. I'll try it the other direction. I do have another size box that I can use. That direction it doesn't work. No, I think it's just going to make it. Let me get my thank you note on here before I push it inside. Thank you note on there. It's a tight fit. I knew it would be by the time I got the bubble wrap on, but it's making it. Now, do I have room to put any air pillows on each end? I don't think so. But I have room for a little bit of bubble wrap. And when I say a little, I do mean a little, like barely a third of a sheet, if that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one end. Don't you love this tape? Hardly ever tears right. I will add extra tape, but okay, got it. Let's get this sealed up and I'll add extra tape to that. Pressing it down. And on this end, add a little bit of bubble wrap. Let's see if this will peel off any better. That was better. Making sure this is pressed down. Press it down. And add some packing tape. I also keep tape in a dispenser. And I like to tape down the corners. My tape of choice is Scotch Heavy Duty Packing Tape. I've been using it for years. So that wasn't so bad, was it? Fingers crossed that it makes it okay for my first stained glass. Wish me luck.